What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? We are live, and this is Force of Warships, and I'm about to get started here with this game. So let's see what we got here. Alright, that's for later. Let's go to battle, man. I love this game. I play it so much. And so here we go. We're gonna... Alright, we got Ice Trap here. We're gonna do some screen recordings here and see how it goes. And so far so good. We're 1 minute into the video. No hiccups so far. Hopefully the screen recorder doesn't crash like it's been doing before. Anyway, here we go. So
start carrying out combat missions.
Here we go.
Preparing for acceleration.
Alright. So at the top left.
Prepare for combat.
Ooh, we got somebody over there. Take that.
Unidentified group of ships has been detected.
Ooh, look at those missiles go. Fun, dude. Oh, we got some guys here on the left. Ooh, dang, I'm taking a hit. Take that. Ooh, damn, they blew me up. What? I'm about to come back.
We're under fire. Order. Repel enemy attack. Target has been captured, Captain. Reloading. Missile launched.
Take that. I gotta wait here. I don't want to go on the front lines yet. I gotta empty out my missiles here before I could get to the front lines.
Prepare for combat. Waiting target capture. Over. Target has been captured, Captain.
Oh, he's been sunk.
Warning. Missile launch.
Okay, who's next?
Forward. Full speed.
Missile party. Take that. Ooh, I got a helicopter I need to shoot down. Whoop. Let me stop here. I got a helicopter here I need to shoot down. Okay, I shot it down. Who wants my missiles? Take that. He's blown up. Who's next? You? Alright. Let me move closer so I can shoot some torpedoes at this guy. I gotta stop. Who's got the helicopter? He's done. Alright, 5 minutes into it, no hiccups yet with the screen recorder, so that's good. He ran away.
Target has been captured, Commander.
Okay, I'm out of missiles, so I gotta sacrifice the ship here by going to the front lines. I got some torpedoes though. Oh man, that guy.
Target has been captured, Captain.
I'm about to get wasted here.
Captain, reloading. Enemy missile approaching. Emergency brigade, fire on board. Enemy torpedoes approaching. Reloading. Hull damage. Weak flooding. Call emergency brigade. Fire on board. Captain, reloading.
Ooh, I got him with quality.
Crew, prepare for combat. Waiting target capture.
That guy's kind of pissed over him. He's the strongest in that team. Ooh, I gave him a few computer guided missiles. I love those. Ooh, come on, come on, come on.
Target has been captured, Commander.
He's done. He's done. Feels like I need to go on this
Moving
side.
forward, full speed.
I don't want to get too close though. Don't want to get too close. Target craft, there we go. There goes torpedoes. Look at those torpedoes. Bam, 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 bam. Uh-oh, he's coming. He's coming. Let's go, let's go.
Enemy elimination
Oh,
confirmed.
he's done. I'm the one who got the points for killing that dude. Alright, who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Uh-oh. Here comes trouble. Here
Target
comes
has been
trouble.
captured, Commander.
Here comes trouble. Take these missiles. Take that.
Reloading.
Ah, he's done. He's
Target has
done.
been captured, Captain.
Who's next?
Preparing for acceleration.
Who is next? Oh no. I gotta stop. I don't want him to see me. He's shooting my friend over there. I'm waiting for my missile stuff. Get loaded here in the barrels. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Now. Oh, look at those. Look at those. Go!
Captain, reloading. Preparing for acceleration. Reloading.
Oh, take those torpedoes, you. Die. Die. Uh-oh, he's shooting at me now. Damn. Oh, he's dead. I need to get closer.
Speed ahead.
I gotta sacrifice the boat now.
Enemy missile approaching.
I don't have any
Fire on six.
computer guided missiles.
Target has been
I
captured,
need to
Captain.
shoot this
Fire
thing.
only at the captured targets. Enemy missile approaching.
No, I got some torpedoes going now.
Crew, prepare for combat. Target has been captured, Commander.
I killed him. Uh-oh. I need to back up. This guy's gonna get me. Thanks. I got my teammates shooting at him. We're outnumbered, though. We are outnumbered. I got your backs, guys. I got your backs. He's hiding. He's hiding behind those rocks. He's hiding. Oh, he's got. I got my buddies back here somewhere. Come on. Come on, fellas.